Are you planning to sell your home but worried about the cost of upgrading and updating it? Is it stopping you from bringing the property to market? Well, it's Mario Joyner with Coldwell Banker Premier, and I have some great news to share. Introducing RealVitalize, the program that helps you make small changes that make big impacts on your home selling price. Imagine transforming your space with upgrades and updates that can increase your home's value without any upfront cost. Now with RealVitalize, there are no hidden fees, interest, or markups. Plus, your dedicated Angie project consultant will handle all the payment arrangements so you don't have to worry about a thing. Now from carpentry to landscaping, painting to handyman services, and even appliance purchasing and installation, we've got you covered. Whether it's a fresh coat of paint or just a complete kitchen makeover, our team can help you boost your sales price. And the best part, you don't have to pay until your property sells. It's that simple. Now, RealVitalize offers a wide range of services to help you transform your home. Carpentry, landscaping, painting, handyman services, appliance purchasing and installation, staging, curb appeal enhancements, carpet cleaning, kitchen and bathroom upgrades, plumbing, drywall and installation, electrical upgrades, junk hauling, and much more. Don't miss out on this opportunity to maximize your home value with RealVitalize. Give me a call or message me regarding your personal situation. RealVitalize, fix it up with nothing up front.